Today is clean out the coop day. It is not a fun job, but it has to be done, especially before we head into the colder weather, so we can try to do a nice deep litter method to help keep them warm and toasty. If you look in there, you can still see RB. She's now sitting on Bean's eggs, and Bean has run off. When it comes to relaying for our coop, what we do is we add in the horse stall refresher by PDZ. It's pretty much the same stuff as the coop refresher, except you get a giant bag and it's half the cost. So if you're on a budget, best thing to do. And then we just lay down it's upside down, the Tractor Supply premium pine shavings. For the coop is now refreshed. You can see they're coming to check it out. We've got Toasty and Henrietta. And if you look in here, Bean came back, but she's now sitting on RB's eggs. So well, I don't get chickens, but yeah. So my husband will add the hay because I'm allergic to hay. So that's not something I can do in there, or I'm going to be miserable for the next week. But yeah, that's it.